you're looking for a house in Springfield, Massachusetts, we're at 1424 Plumtree Road. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This is your local look. We have Ethan here. He is ready to get wild and show us around.
That's right.
Starting us off in this brand new kitchen.
We have brand new stone countertops, cabinets, beautiful stainless steel appliances.
This must be the dining room. Let's take a left into the living room now. And a fireplace. Let's go down the hallway and check out what we got.
Nice new bathroom.
Yeah, everything in this house is redone. And in this hallway, we have what, a total of 3 bedrooms? 5 total in this house. Well, all right. This is a really big place with a lot of room. We've got a 1-car garage. You've got to come check this place out. Let's take it back around. We're gonna go back into that nice big room with the fireplace. There's another bedroom here off to the right.
Yeah, this is one of the larger bedrooms in the house.
Yeah, this is great. And then another living room area with a second fireplace.
The fireplace goes on both sides.
I love the fireplace. And then we go down this hallway here where we have our first floor laundry.
Yeah.
We have another bedroom here, maybe possibly an office, and a second full bathroom.
That's right.
If you want a private showing, Ethan is here. He's going to show you around and hit him up. If you're looking for some financing options, hit me up. Springfield, appreciate you having us today. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. We're out of here.